Well, it's a flat open for the equity markets this morning. Do remember that we've been very accustomed to that one-way ride owing to the kind of positive announcements that came out in the budget, or perhaps that relief rally that there was nothing negative in the budget. But now looks like we're cooling our heels. Nothing major at all, actually. We're just down about 16 points, might just shoot back into the green and be comfortably at those elevated levels. But for now, 14,782 for the Sensex. We're off about 60 odd points at 50,000 still, so 50,180 thereabouts being maintained. The broader markets, quite a different story. Comfortably in the green, so up by a nice 0.5% for the mid-cap index. The small-cap index as well is showing you quite a bit of conviction. Let's tell you a little bit about the texture of the markets in terms of individual sectors, where you're seeing the pain and where you're actually seeing reprieve kick in. In terms of what we're looking at this morning, you've got the banks, finance, IT, services. Those sectors are under a bit of pressure in today's trading session. And on the flip side, you've got the likes of auto as well as metals. They're all doing quite well in today's trade. Let's take you through then what's happening in terms of the individual movers and what's looking good on the frontline index by way of some of those stocks that are gaining this morning. Because do remember, it's been a lot of leadership within the large caps. That's what we've really seen of late. Today, IndusInd Bank under a bit of pressure. Asian Paints, HDFC Bank holds its heels. RIL is at 1919. HCL Technologies, L&T, Cipla, Ultratech, Infosys, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. On the flip side, Hero Moto gains about 4%. You've got Bajaj Auto, M&M in the green, GAIL, NTPC, IOC, Airtel, all bringing in gains this morning. To some of the newsmakers then, and you've got Hero Moto, SBI, NTPC, Z Entertainment, Praj, Somani Ceramics, etc. all set to deliver their numbers today. You had Bharti Airtel, which came out with its numbers yesterday. The mobile ARPUs at 166 and the highest ever customer additions. The stock up about 1%. Inox Leisure posted a loss of about 83 crores, but remember they're talking about an all-round opening of 100% capacity in their theatres, down about 1% in trade. Apollo Tyres, what a phenomenal set of numbers. You had the profits rising very smartly. Operational performance as well was very healthy for Apollo Tyres, and that stock too is looking smart with a nice 8% move. Sheela Foam, another result reaction, PAT at 100 crores. Indian Hotels came out with a loss of 118 crores versus a PAT last year of about 200 crore rupees. Do remember, a lot of experts as well continue to bet on a turnaround for Indian Hotels. That stock at 119 rupees. Astral Poly, Transport Corporation, Thermax, Ujjivan, City Union, VIP Industries, Quick Heal, Ramco, Sequence Scientific, Sutlej, so many of them reacting to numbers, including a Hindustan Copper. Just a quick look as to what's happening within the broader universe, because excuse me, that's clearly where you're seeing a lot of traction building up, although now you've got the markets cooling off there. But while Jubilant Life, the future group stocks are under pressure, Hindustan Copper is having a terrific run. PNG in the green, Sheela Foam, Bajaj Consumer, CH, Jubilant Food, M&M, Lemon Tree, AIA Engineering and Tata Power.